This is my animated version of my chip carving stop motion video. I carved a praying hands pastor out of basswood, and I liked it so much I decided to carve another one. But I ran out of basswood, and now I only have basil. It's a lot softer, a lot more easy to cut, so I'm having a good time making a few of these. I made a stop motion animation of this. If you want to make a praying hands pastor as we go along, and you see the chip carving go away, you can see you can hit pause as we go and see which cut to make and advance as we go along. And it's coming up shortly. This is just some examples of how I mapped it out. I even got the ruler out and showed you some dimensions on it. Here it is. You can see as we go along, chipping away at the nose and the hat and the mouth. And now we got the sides going on. And slowly but surely you can see it turning into something. So I recorded about 1 second after I carved in one area. And then I grabbed it and cut again and put the little pastor back and recorded another second. So that's how I made him. And then I thought it'd be a neat idea to put this. This was my stop motion animation chip carving video of my pastor with praying hands and cross on top. I hope it brought you just as much joy watching this as it did me making it. Thanks. See you guys later.